Hello MacroHeart community, welcome back. So in one of the previous videos we discussed about loans in DeFi. So one characteristic of lending in DeFi is that one can borrow less than what they have deposited as collateral. So for example, if I deposit $1,000 worth of Ethereum, then maybe I can borrow at most $900 worth of USDC. So this is known as over collateralization in loans. But then one question might arise that why would I borrow $900 worth of USDC when I already have $1,000 worth of Ethereum? So one key point to note here is that even after I have borrowed USDC, the Ethereum that has been sitting in the collateral still belongs to me. And even if the value of Ethereum goes up, I can go back and return $900 as USDC and I can get my Ethereum back. So the most important use case that uses this value is leverage. And today we'll see how we can use loans in DeFi to open leveraged positions. So leverage is a position where the gains in case the underlying value of the asset goes up is multiplied by a factor. For example, if you have opened a position with the leverage of 10, then if Ethereum goes up by 1%, then you gain 10% in profit. However, note that higher the leverage, higher is the risk to lose your underlying asset. Suppose that there is a lending platform which allows you to borrow $0.9 in USDC for every dollar of Ethereum as collateral. And this loan liquidates when the value of collateral becomes equal to the value of the loan that has been taken. So let us assume that I have $1,000 in my pocket and the price of Ethereum right now is $1,000. So what I can do is that I can buy one Ethereum, go to the lending platform, keep this one Ethereum as collateral, borrow 900 USDC, and then again buy 0.9 Ethereum with 900 USDC, keep this 0.9 Ethereum in the lending platform as collateral, and then borrow 810 USDC against it, and again I can buy 0.81 Ethereum with these 810 USDCs and then keep this Ethereum as collateral in the lending platform, and now I can borrow 0.9 times 810 USDCs and then keep on doing this infinitely, theoretically speaking. You can observe that the amount of Ethereum that I own is the following: 1 Ethereum that I bought in the beginning, 0.9 Ethereum with the USDCs borrowed in the first iteration, 0.9 square Ethereum with the money borrowed in the second iteration, and then 0.9 cube Ethereum with the money borrowed in the next iteration, and so on. So we can see that at the end, the amount of Ethereum that I own forms a geometric progression which looks like this. And now this geometric progression will lead to a total of 10 Ethereum, if you guys remember geometric progressions from high school. Now, if Ethereum goes up by 1%, then I get to keep the profit on all the 10 Ethereums that I have. I can settle my profits by doing exactly the opposite, which is go to the last loan that I have taken, return USDC in exchange of Ethereum, sell Ethereum for USDC, and then return the new amount of USDC back to get more Ethereum, and so on. So this way I get to keep 1% profit on 10 Ethereum. Cool, huh? But there is a huge risk here. Now note that in every loan there was an assumption, which was that if the value of the collateral, which is Ethereum, falls by more than 10%, then the loan will be liquidated. For example, in the very first loan, we deposited Ethereum worth $1,000 and we borrowed USDCs worth $900. Now, if Ethereum price goes down by 10%, then the value of the collateral will become $900, which means that any further down movement will lead to the value of collateral less than the value that was borrowed. So therefore the loan will be immediately liquidated. So therefore, in such a leveraged position, if the value of Ethereum falls by more than 10%, then I will be left with nothing. absolutely nothing. So this is the risk of opening a high leverage position. So therefore it's a high risk, high reward instrument. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video intuitive and exciting. If you're new to this community, then subscribe to Macro Hard, where we are building the next economy. So see you all guys tomorrow, and until then, bye bye.